First, we're gonna start with a little olive oil. Then some garlic. Now you could do this with real garlic too, but come on, it's called simple hack, so I'm gonna keep it simple. Then just fry it till it starts to get a little golden. Toss in your onions. Mix it up. Just keep mixing it up. Get them a little soft or whatever texture you like, and it's really up to you. Really simple. Nice and easy. We're gonna make Chef Boyardee actually taste Italian. Now, you don't want the garlic to get black or burn. You're gonna take your Chef Boyardee and just dump it right in on top of it. Simple. Simple. Look at that. Mix it all up. Then just let that cook until it gets warm and it's done. It's that simple. Start to bubble up. And after it's been cooking a couple of minutes, simple, easy, done. Enjoy.